Alrighty, good morning guys. This is your boy D over here at D's Garage. So today we're gonna be working on another brand new 2022 Ram BigHorn edition. We're gonna be upgrading the sound system on it. Just gonna give you guys the rundown on what we're gonna do. Last week we tinted all the windows on this truck. Everything looks really good, even that windshield. We use our second package, which is our charcoal color stable film. Really good quality film, comes with a lifetime warranty. So this week we're gonna go ahead today. We're gonna go ahead and upgrade the sound system. We're keeping the original stereo. We are keeping the original speakers. We're just gonna boost them up. Okay, we're just gonna give it a little boost. The customer doesn't want nothing crazy, just want some cab music. He wanted to add some bass. We got the custom box for it. That's gonna fit nice and tight right there. We're gonna be doing 210s. Comp VT by Kicker, 5-channel Kicker amp, LC6, and the bass knob. This is not a ported box, so I have done them ported. But I'm gonna be quite honest with you guys. I wasn't a big fan of the ported box that I did last time. So this time I'm going to try the non-ported box to see if I get more bang for my buck. If it doesn't sound as great, then, you know, we can always switch it to the ported one. It's no big deal. I did give the customer the choice. You know, I told him I got this one for him. I asked him if he wanted the ported one. I told him my suggestion, you know, from the previous one I did. So, like I said, I always try to make them sound way better than the last one. So, we're gonna go ahead and clean all this up, take a couple of things apart, and get started on it. Once I'm done, I'll let you guys know how it sounds. I'll let you guys check it out, hear it at least, and then we'll go from there. All right guys, just finished up the Ram. This is the 2022 Ram BigHorn edition. Sound system completed. Check it out. I'm gonna give you guys the rundown just in case you guys are interested. Power wire, fuse block, nice and ran to the grommets. We don't use that cheap wire. We use this good wire, baby. So that's that. With that wire, you don't gotta worry about your system getting hot or wire getting corroded. That's straight, good, solid power wire. You pay, you get good stuff. We use the original head unit. Of course, hit it with that custom bass knob. You know, you don't have that freaking bass knob that people put up here, and that's just wrong. If you don't do it like this, you ain't doing a good job. All right, that's simple.
Organic Gala or Fuji apples are just $1.99 per pound through October 18, while supplies last. Prime members save an extra 10%.
We are using stock speakers. Okay, that's one thing. Sounds really good. They just needed to be boosted. So that's what I usually like to start off people with. If you don't want to change out the speakers yet, let's put on them. Let's see how they sound. If they blow, well, oh well. Now you got a reason to replace them. Custom box. I ran out of ferrules, or else I would have put some on here. Had to remove this compartment. Custom box for this truck. Mounted all my amps here. Everything's mounted nice and tight. Of course, using that LC6 RCAs. Amp is all adjusted and tuned really good to perfection. So that's how it's gonna sit. Box looks great. It's not in the way. The seats go down nice and smooth. Nice. They do have different options for these boxes. These are from the parts here that we took out that we no longer need. Anyways, like I was saying, they do have different options for the box. They have some that are ported and some that are not ported. Last time I used the one that was ported and it sounded okay. This time I used the one that's all sealed, and I'll tell you right now, I already hear the difference. I'm starting to like this one a little bit more. Let's go ahead and just do a little quick sound test.
Select dates. Get more info and buy discounted military tickets at
1 and a 10%. Bonds fell. Yield on the 10-year T-note. What do you think? Pick a number. 3.95%. I know, it didn't give me a lot of time to pick that. You're listening to Marketplace.
The radio.
Marketplace is supported by Personal Capital, where people can view...
I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call a trip, same number, same hood. It's all good. Yeah. And if you don't know, now you know.
These songs be hitting though, really good. Pretty loud.
I made the change from a common thief to up close and personal with Robin Leach. And I'm far from cheap. I smoke with my peeps all day. Spread love, it's the Brooklyn way. The Mo West and LSA keep me. Girls used to diss me. Now they write letters cause they miss me. I never thought it could happen, this rapping stuff. I was too used to packing stuff. Now honeys play me close like butter play coke. From the Mississippi down to the East Coast. Condos and Queens. Beats, sell-out seats to hear Biggie Small speak. Living life without fear. 25 counts in my baby girl ear. Lunches, interviews by the moon. Considered a fool cause I dropped out of high school. Stereotypes of a black male misunderstood. And it's still all good.
And it still sounds good.
And if you don't know,
Now you know.
When I was dead broke, man, I couldn't picture this. 50-inch screen, money green, leather sofa. Got 2 rides, a limousine with the chauffeur.
Alright, there it is. I don't want to mess around with it too much because I like my music loud and I do not want to blow these speakers. I'll let the customer have his little fun. Sounds good. I'm gonna go ahead and give it the label here. These garage installs. Just so you can know who did it. Bam! Let's go. That's it for today, folks. Tomorrow's another day. We got this project. For tomorrow, we're gonna be doing some lights installation, custom lights, remove and replace them, so on and so on. This one's ready to go. D's Garage, here to help you guys out for any of your services. Do a little bit of everything here. We offer the best window film Matico, ceramic, high performance, color stable film. If you guys want to come and check it out, feel free to come on in. We got all kinds of stuff. Let's go.